Dear colleagues, in this workshop we are going to learn some tricks that you can do with iMovie. First, the title. Second, let's practice with transitions. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to use filters. 1, 2, 3. How about changing my voice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, I can play with the volume. I can talk very loud, hola, 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 or I can talk very soft, hola, 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 hola. You can speed up or slow down a video. If it is a good one, you can also replay the footage. You can move to another place, for instance to the garden, and come back to my classroom. Here I am. I can disappear, make objects appear, and appear again in the same place. I can be presenting a TV program, or I can enjoy a ride on a roller coaster. Oh man, that was something.
How was that first one?
I can add sound effects to my videos. Un moment. ¿Sí? Ahora voy. Sorry for the interruption. Or you can add music.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी निभाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या?
Hey buddy, how you doing? If I am bored, I can duplicate myself. Good. Not bad, not bad. How are you? I can make a zoom, for instance, to the message in my hand. I can put my sweater on, and for a 45 minutes workshop, I think it's enough. Let's practice.